Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first eyeshadow palette focus of 2023, which is going to be the Marc Jacobs Provocateur eyeshadow palette. This is actually going to be like my first time creating a look with this eyeshadow palette. And I think for the first look, I want to do something a little bit more smoky, sultry maybe. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, over Christmas, we went to Germany, which I was so happy about because I got to see Sephora finally for the first time in like over 2 years. And I got my favorite eyeshadow primer, the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter eyeshadow primer. And like for me, this is like next to Urban Decay's primer potion. This is my favorite. But I think for this eyeshadow palette, I will also use the Marc Jacobs Showstopper Omega Glaze all over foil luminizing highlighter for this one because yeah, I mean it was the last holiday thing I bought from Marc Jacobs. And I think I actually might dip into some NARS blushes for this type of palette focus because I have Outlaw and Dolce Vita. So this is Outlaw, which is such a beautiful, the Dolce Vita, like it's just, so those are gonna be the two blushes I'll be using this because I really need to go in more depth of what I have from NARS, all my blushes and everything. But without further ado, let me go ahead and prep my eyes. Let me go and prime my eyes with my favorite primer. And I think, I don't know if I want to like do winged out smoky or what, but we will see if I want to bring the tape in or not. And yes, if you hear the rain, it is that time of the year. Gotta do something to make me feel alive again. So without further ado, let me go and prep my eyes and we'll get right. Alright, so the eyes are prepped and I'm gonna go in with You Might, which is gonna be this shade. I'm gonna go in with my finger and just really begin to pat that all over. Oh, that is such a beautiful shade. All over up into the brow bone. It'll be my brow highlight. Oh, such like a purple violet type of sheen. Oh, beautiful, gorge. Even out the sisters, make them look related. I mean, even just this alone, and then just do a wing liner. Yadzan. Yadzan. But it just really helps to have that. Oh, she's so beautiful. Alright, well, let me go ahead and get the next step ready because we'll go into as well, which is like this. I think it's like a deep purple or a black with some gold and like some amethyst reflex in it. So let me go get a brush. Let me go clean a brush actually, and then we will get into the next step. Now, for the next step, I'm going to go ahead and dip into as well, which is going to be this one, this one. Going in with a flat brush. Oh, that is gorgeous. And starting from here. Oh, this is going to be smoky. And then, blending it up. Because I want most of the intensity right along my lash line. Oh, look at it, it's popping my brown eyes already. And then add a little bit more, just to really intensify the lash line. Smoky, smoky, smoky. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Let me do the other side. Now, with a fluffy brush, I'm just going to go ahead and just start blending right above it. So whatever's loose could just be blended out. All the way up to the brow bone, basically. Oh, gorgeous. Like a really good classic smoky eye is literally just using a liner, a black eyeliner, brown eyeliner, whatever type of eyeliner, purple, dark blue, whatever, and literally just draw it on, smudge it out, draw it on, smudge it out. Oh God, that is gorgeous. That is so gorge. Gorgelina. Now, let me tell you a little reason why I like to use tape, or I always do my looks coming out more this way, because if I do it like this, it brings down my eyes. If you want more of that flick, that's why it's always important to follow the bottom and just start to blend up to give a little bit of that lift. Literally just only using whatever's left over on the brush. And then I'm gonna go in with the tissue to clean it up a little bit more, to give a little bit more flick, but I don't want to make this like heavily dramatic, because this is an everyday. We're doing this kind of like an everyday type of look. But perfect. Literally just 2 shades so far, and that is it. Rain, 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 please go away. Come back another day. No, we need the rain. Beautiful country, and this is the reason why. So much rain, just like Seattle. Perfect. All right, let me go ahead and clean up the bottom, because I actually think this is probably like it for me for now. Yeah, this is literally just a good standard classic easy je ne sais quoi, you know, and just good smoky. Perfect. All right, so this is where we are at with the bottom clean. Very classic, very classic. So I'm going back in with this one first. I'm just gonna go ahead and re-emphasize the front, or the inner corner of my eye. Bada bang, bada boom. And then, perfect. Going back in with that black. Oh, gorge. I mean, very simple, very easy. And then from here, I'm gonna go in with, where is it? The Permagel by Pat McGrath in Extreme Black. Extreme Black. And just really begin to just darken the waterline. The black in the corner. I feel like a James Bond villain right now. I'm really digging this look. But even this Permagel would be great for a good old classic smoky eye, because it's more of a cream, and then it gives you a little bit of time to blend it out. Maybe we'll do like a smoky eye 101. But yeah. See? See? Gorge. Gorge, gorge, gorge. Let me bring the mirror a little bit closer, because I am of that age. Just really right down on the bottom. And just smudge it up. Perfect. Let me go and do the rest of my face, and we will be able to see the final look. All right, so here is the final look. I went with a dramatic lip. Oh, that is a beautiful color combination. So my lip is Griselda from Fenty Beauty, that plum classic. I mean, even just this mini one is still a lot. Dip that on the lip, and right in the center, oh, Naked Rose. Literally, I mean, like, I'm already starting to run out. So I literally kind of took whatever was left and just dabbed it in the middle of my lip. And I love it. Seriously. Smoky eye. For blush is Outlaw. No, Dolce Vita by NARS. Such a beautiful, beautiful rouge type of a color. Yeah, so I just went ahead and used You Might as well. Just these two shades on the lids for more of the smoky look. So, I mean, it's such a classic smoky. Just a classic. Such a classic. And I have on Marc Jacobs the Showstopper. No, is it Showstopper? Yeah, Showstopper highlighter as well. I mean, gorge. And I just brought that highlighter in, and then just there, Dolce Vita for the blushes. So yeah, I mean, it's just such a sultry rouge type of look. Easy, 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 easy peasy. And then when I love balancing out the whole facial features. When I do more smoky dramatic looks, I like to really keep the blush and highlight a little bit more toned down. And usually I like to do a nude lip, but for some reason, I've been just digging more of vampy lips, dark lips again. It's just really nice to bring it back. I mean, and it just does something to you. It just does something to you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this first tutorial on Marc Jacobs. But yeah, I mean, it's just so beautiful. And I feel like I have a hair in my nose, but there's nothing there. The struggle. So just two colors. And that gold reflect. So the beauty about this color is that it's black, but it also has those reflects in there. Like you can see the gold. It's almost like a gold and like a rose gold type of reflect in there, and then you could even see it right on the eyelid with this as the background. Really amplifies that gold. So yeah, as usual, if you want to see the final look, the final edits of everything, go to my Instagram, my makeup Instagram, and more videos to come. Definitely. I already got like so much running on this side already. Food for Domo. The struggles of having a bold lip, but I mean, this is definitely more of a fall, but every day's your runway. Every day's your catwalk. You choose the season. You are the season. You is the season. So you make the season, you make the look, you make the life. They will learn it, they will live it, they will love it, they will breathe it. And love this look. And for foundation, I'm using NARS. I'm doing this now. The Vanuatu Show Glow Medium 3.5. I mean, I am losing my color. I do have some darker shades when I'm tan, and that your homeboy is going to be tanning here pretty soon, so don't you worry. But I hope you guys enjoyed the first palette focus of the year. Definitely more looks coming. I mean, like this one is just all over the lid and just smoked out and just fused out, and this into a blush. Stop. Enjoy your day, guys. If you have this palette, I mean, it's so cool to bring out such classics again. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. More to come, and I'll see you next video.